Good afternoon. Myself Swati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My topic is on logical addressing. Now I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon on computer networks. My topic is on logical addressing. And then what is meant by logical addressing means it is an address which items have a memory cell, storage elements and network host. It appears resides from the perspective executing application program, and then it is having a network layer, and it is responsible for host to host delivery. What is meant by host to host delivery means it is an end to end delivery. Likewise, if you are having a number of hosts, based upon the host, the only the host to host delivery will be happened by the network layer, by using of routing mechanisms. It adds logical address that it is an source and destination address as a part of IP header to the segments coming from the above transport layer. We are having a number of layers. The network after the network layer, only the transport layer will be taken up. It adds a logical address from the source to destination, source and the destination address in between the part of IP address, and the segment of the segmentation will be happening from above the transport layer. That is a logical addressing. And then IPv4 address means it is a 32-bit address that uniquely and universally define the connections of a device. These addresses are unique in the sense that each address defines one and only one connections to the network. IPv4 means it is an 32-bit and it is an uniquely and universally connected to your devices, and then unique means it is an each address has an one and only one connection to the internet. That is an unique address, and the 32-bit will be used. Address space means it defines the range of addresses used by the protocols. If we are having a space for the storage of data, it is an address space. The range of address space is used by the protocol. Each network devices will get addresses from this address space. IPv4 address is a 32-bit in size. Hence, the total number of address possible is 2 half of 32. So that we are having an 4 billion devices will be connected to the internet, because it is a number of ways more restriction will be only the less restriction will be happened here. So the 4 million devices will be connected in the internet. That is an address space. And then a representation of IP address, how the IP address will be represented. Dotted decimal notations and binary notations. Dotted decimal notation means in this format an IP address is represented as 4 octet. Each octet is 8 bytes. 8 bytes means 1 bits. No, 8 bits, it is on 1 bytes, and it will be separated with the decimal point like dot. For example, 192.168.0. likewise, in this format the addresses will be represented in 4 octet, each octet having an 8 bits, 1 byte. It will be separated with the decimal point. Binary notation means it is an IP address is represented as 32 bits. Okay, it is an example here. We are giving an example here. Dotted decimal means 192.168.0.1. likewise, binary notation means only zeros and ones of notation will be happened here. And then classful addressing. Classful addressing means the address space is divided into 5 classes A, B, C, D and E. Each classes has some part of address space. So class A, B, C are mostly used for unicast communication, whereas class D is a multicast unique communication and E is reserved. ABC is a unicast communication, D is a multicast communication, and then E is a reserved address space. And host ID and network ID. In classical addressing, IP address can divided into 2 portions. One is an host ID, which identifies the host the network, and another is called as a network ID that identifies the host. We are having an example diagram here. Class A, B, C, D and E. Class A is Class ABC is a net ID and host ID will be happening here, and then class D is a multicast addressing. Already we discussed about that. Classes E is reserved. Each spaces is have 4 bytes. Each class is having 4 bytes. Subnet mask means it is 32 bits, which is used for distinguishing the host part and network part. It will be differentiate from host to network and an IP address. Each class has a different default subnet. So the class ABC is a subnet mask. With the using the subnet mask, the network and then host ID will be happened here. For example, here 255 is a network number, and host part is 0. Thank you.